Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I've done a lot of these, but I'm not 100% sure I've done this one. And this one is really beneficial if you use a little math. It's not complicated. I'm going to draw an ellipse and I'm going to make it 12 inches. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to make the next one 4. So the distance between here and here is 8 inches. So I'm going to make an 8-inch one, and I'm going to hit P, and then I'm going to shift select the outer circle and hit T to put it to the top. Now I'm going to grab the 8-inch circle and control D, alternate C to have it rotate from the center. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now there's only 2 lines we have to delete or need to delete. And they are, with the virtual segment delete key, that line and that line. Now, as always, I'm going to control G to group these together so I can get them out of the way. And I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that shape in. Now I can take my object and move it out of the way. That will rotate from the center of the page. I'm going to take the interactive fill tool and I'm going to put black in both ends. And then I'm going to put blue. Whoop. I don't know what I did there. I'm going to put black there. Span that out a little bit. And then I'm going to put blue really close to it, because I want some black edges. And I need to bring this black in a little bit more to have a little bit more black. Maybe bring this blue. My computer's really slowed down this afternoon. I'm going to call that good. Control D to duplicate, alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page and rotate it that 90 degrees. And then Control D, Control D. And you could use any color you want, but you bring in a black box and it really makes it show off, because I call it the blue going into the abyss. And you could make every one a different color. You know, you don't have to make them all the same. You could change it to this light blue. That looks pretty good, that little shine there. You could make this one, let's just make it red. That looks pretty good. Only should have done one of them. And we'll make this one, well, I need to probably select it. There's a line right there. I don't know what that line is. I must have clipped a line out. I don't know why it's all black. Let me just back up here. There we go. Then I got to click on this one to make sure I get that one, and I'm going to make this one the green. I really think the blue probably looks the best, but that just gives it a different look. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.